What up, guys? Today we're doing another mod on the Z. The Z is getting some new horns because the one on there now, the stock horns, they're not loud. Yeah, so the horn on this car, the stock horns, which is right there, this right here, this black shiny piece, they're not loud. Like, I press my lock button. That's how loud they are. So I want to kind of like make them louder. So I got some new horns for it. Right here in this box. I found these on Amazon. Made by Farbin. Right there. Made by Farbin. Anyways, these are the new horns, guys. They look freaking dope. They come in different colors. I watched some videos on YouTube and apparently they're pretty loud, like loud. I got the same color as the car. Well, almost. Almost. I think these are darker. And these are it just comes with the manual, some wires, and pretty much for the 350Z, these are plug and play. Now, I don't know about other car brands or models, but for the Z, these are plug and play. So it's gonna be pretty easy for me. All I have to do now is remove my fenders and the front bumper so I can jack the car. Alright guys, I got the the fenders out and the front bumper. Now all I gotta do is remove the stock horn. So I got the stock horn removed, guys, right here. This is called the snail horn because of its shape. It's shaped like a snail. But anyways, this is stock one. It's easy, it comes out. It's just hooked on with these. There's this little tab right here. You gotta press down and pull. Here's the new horn. It's pretty much plug and play with these tabs right here. You see? Mine's got two horns hooked up. This is the first one right here. And then this is the second one. I'm gonna hook them up, guys, and I'll show you what it looks like after. But you guys might have to, depending on where you want these horns located, you might have to cut the wires and extend them. But that's pretty much it. It's really easy. I have the two horns hooked up. I just don't have them mounted yet. I'm gonna do that after, but I just want to do a test and see how loud they are, and I heard they're pretty loud, so I'm gonna stand back here and then press my button. Yeah, that's pretty loud compared to the stock one. Okay, I'm gonna stand up here. Wow, that shit's loud, guys. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and mount them and then put everything back together and call it a day. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Finally got them installed and good to go. They're pretty good. You just use 1 bolt right here, 10 mil. That's the stock bolt. Again, this, I only know that the 350Z is compatible with plug and play. I don't know about other car models, you know. You just have to experiment. Look pretty cool. Let's do the test again. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so we can reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers and go on forward. Peace. Oh, did I tell you my key fob matches my car? So that's the freaking new horns. And just like that, it's put back together, guys. Fender, front bumper, and the new, of course, the new horns.